This video will outline the pump and front cover methods that can be used to change the Chaincase fluid on a Polaris Switchback Assault. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat level surface. Set the parking brake. Clean the area around the fill plug. Tip: place a rag under the fill plug to catch any escaping fluid. Remove the fill plug. To extract the fluid using the pump method, elevate the front of the snowmobile using a floor jack or appropriate lift. Insert the tube of the suction device into the fill hole. Direct the hose toward the bottom front area of the cover, away from the chain and sprocket. Extract the oil from the chain case. Lower the snowmobile. To drain the fluid using the front cover method, remove the right side panel by releasing the rubber strap and turning the 2 quarter-turn latches. Pull the side panel out and remove. Remove the 3 push rivets securing the side panel trim. Pull the trim apart as needed. If equipped with a battery, remove the battery. Remove the 3 fasteners securing the battery bracket and remove the battery bracket. Remove the 2 fasteners securing the lower fender to the chain case. Place a drain pan underneath the chain case. Tip: place a rag in the bottom of the drain pan to prevent the splashing of fluid. Loosen, but do not remove the 3 lower chain case cover fasteners. Carefully pry the cover open on the cover tab. Caution: do not insert a screwdriver or pry bar between the cover and chain case. Seal damage may occur. Allow the fluid to drain completely. Reinstall the 3 cover fasteners and torque to specification. Fill the chain case through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and dispose of the used fluid properly. Reinstall the fasteners securing the lower fender to the chain case. If needed, reinstall the battery bracket. Ensure the harness is properly routed inside the bracket. Reinstall the 3 bracket fasteners and torque to specification. Reinstall the battery if needed. Reconnect the side panel trims and reinstall the 3 push rivets. Then, reinstall the side panel by inserting the tabs at the front and bottom. Secure the rubber strap and quarter-turn latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.